Hi! I don't have blinds for my art studio just yet, and I need my neighbor to not see me walking around in my underwear, so I decided to put up some rainbow privacy film. I was so excited when this stuff came up in the mail because it was just like a quick little project to zhuzh up my space a bit, and I think it turned out so fun and so cute. The application process itself was also pretty easy. All you have to do is clean your windows, and then you cut the film to size, spritz it with some water, and then it just magically sticks to your windows with no damage. I'd say the hardest part is just making sure that the film is smooth against the window. But yeah, here's the finished project. I'm so happy with how it turned out. As you can see, it gives me the privacy that I need while not blocking out too much light, and it also gives me some super cute rainbows. But really, the best benefit of this window film is that now I can walk around naked in peace if that's what I want to do.